Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve the previous year CHO Maharashtra question paper. Okay, so let's start our first question. The first Indian citizen who received the Nobel Prize. So here our right answer is Rabindranath Tagore is the first Indian citizen who received the Nobel Prize. Okay, next question. Who announced the discovery of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the bacteria that causes the tuberculosis? So here our right answer is Robert Koch is the first scientist who discovered the Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. Okay. Next question. MUHS University was established on. Okay. So here our right answer is MUHS University was established on a 3rd June 1998. A is the correct option. Next question. Look carefully for the pattern and then choose which pair of the numbers come next. So here this one is a pair 42, 40, 38, 35, 33, 31 and 28. Okay, so the difference between each number is -2. Okay, here you can see the difference between 42 and 40 is a -2. So here after 28 the next number is 26 and then next number is 24. Okay, so here our right answer is 26 and 24. It is the correct option. Next, length and width of the rectangle part is a 40 meter and a 7 meter respectively. Find the area of a circle of a maximum radius in a part. So here the length and width of the rectangle, here this one is one rectangle. Okay, the length of the rectangle part is a 40 meter. So here, okay, 40 meter and the width is 7 meter. Okay, so here the question asks find the area of a circle of a maximum radius in the part. So here if the width of the rectangle is a 7, then the width of this circle is also 7. Okay, so radius of this circle is a 7/2. Okay, and the area of a maximum radius in the park. So the formula for an area of a maximum radius in the park, it is a pi r square. Okay, when we put the number pi is equal to 3.14 and r means radius is equal to 7/2 square. When we put the number, we get the answer of 38.5 square meter. So C is the correct option. Okay, next question. Which continent has the highest number of country? So here Africa have a highest number of country, that is 45 country in Africa. Okay, next, who was the first woman Lok Sabha Speaker of India? So here our right answer is Meera Kumar is the first woman Lok Sabha Speaker of India. Okay, next, city in Maharashtra don't have a bench of a high court. So here our right answer is Pune. B is the correct option. Next, an 8-week pregnant lady comes to OPD for an antenatal visit for the first time. She told the doctor that she has come from a far off area and it's not possible to come for the monthly for antenatal visit. The doctor advised the minimum number of essential antenatal visits are. So here 4 antenatal visits are a minimum number of antenatal visit which is recommended by the World Health Organization. Okay, next question. An unimmunized woman in the 7th month of pregnancy report to you in an antenatal clinic for the first time. The recommended immunization is by. So here our right answer is tetanus immunoglobulin. Okay, next question. PPH, postpartum hemorrhage, is defined as the loss of how much ml or more blood during or within a 24 hour of a birth and up to 6 weeks after delivery. So here our right answer is blood loss more than 500. Okay, in a normal delivery are considered a PPH and a blood loss more than 1000 in the cesarean section are considered as a PPH. Okay. Next question. Which vitamin is needed for a prevention of a hemorrhagic disease of a newborn? So here our correct answer is vitamin K is needed for a prevention of hemorrhagic disease in a newborn. Okay. Next question. A 22-year-old married non-pregnant woman developed the rubella infection. In order to avoid the congenital rubella syndrome in her pregnancy, she should be given the advice to avoid the conceptions for at least 12 weeks. Okay, we should advise that woman they should not conceive till 12 weeks. Okay. Next question. Dose of BCG vaccine until the age of 1 month is, so dose of BCG vaccine until 1 month is a 0.05 ml intradermal on a left upper arm. Okay, and after 1 month the dose of BCG vaccine is a 0.1 ml. Okay, until the age of 1 month the dose of BCG vaccine is a 0.05 ml. Okay, and a route is a intradermal in a left arm. Okay, and BCG vaccine are given a permanent mark on hand. Okay. Next question. The posterior fontanelle usually closed by age. So here our correct answer is 1 to 2 months. Okay, or we can say 6 weeks, or we can say 1 to 2 months. Okay, posterior fontanelle close in 1 to 2 months. Okay, and anterior fontanelle close until 1 to 1.5 years. Okay. Okay. Then the shape of anterior fontanelle is a diamond shape and the shape of posterior fontanelle is a triangular shape. Okay. Next question. Measles or MR vaccine is, so here our right answer is the vaccine is a sensitive to heat and light. Okay, A is the correct option. Next one. Yogesh, 70-year-old man, has a height of 170 centimeter and a weight is a 68 kg. What is the BMI of a Yogesh? So here formula of a BMI is a weight in a kg divided by height in a meter square. Okay, so here weight is a 68 and the height in a meter it is about 1.72 square. Okay, when we put the number we get the answer of 23.52. Okay, so B is the correct option. Please remember the formula, that is BMI, body mass index, is equal to weight in a kilogram divided by height in a meter square. This one is the formula of BMI. Okay. Next question. After an epidemic of a measles in a village near Kanpur, some children reported with a history of a weight loss and a blindness from the corneal scanning. The most likely cause of the complication is a deficiency of, so here our correct option is due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Okay, retinol. Vitamin A deficiency cause the blindness from the corneal scanning. Okay. Next question. Sexually transmitted diseases are preventing by using, so here our right answer is condom, which are effective contraceptive to prevent the sexually transmitted disease. Okay, B is the correct option. Next, DEMPA, dipomedroxyprogesterone acetate injection should be given intramuscularly every 3 months. Okay, 3 months intramuscularly, and the name of injection is the Antara. Okay, it contains the hormone of DEMPA, dipomedroxyprogesterone acetate. Okay, it should be given in the interval of 3 months. Next question. The number of daughter a newborn girl will bear during her lifetime, assuming the fixed age specific fertility and mortality rate, refers to which one of the following? It include the net reproductive rate, okay, and RR, net reproductive rate. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is a major cause of a poor health in Indian? So here our right answer is air pollution is the one of the major cause of poor health in Indians. Next question. Blood smear collection target for a passive surveillance is of new OPD case, it is about 20%. Okay. Next question. If a person is having which skin patches which definitely sensory deficient or more than one definitive thickened and tender peripheral nerves, that is cause a multibacillary leprosy. So here our right answer is more than 5 mm skin patches. Okay, it is called multibacillary leprosy. Okay, leprosy is also known as Hansen disease. Okay, and it is causative organism of leprosy is a Mycobacterium lepra. Okay. Next question. Recyclable plastic waste, that is IV tubes, catheters should be segregated in which bag? So here our right answer is in a red bag. Okay, plastic material like IV tubes, catheter should be segregated in a red bag. Okay. Next question. SARS virus belongs to which family of virus? So here our right answer is in a coronavirus family. Okay. Severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, which is a belong to a coronavirus family. Okay. Next question. In a DSP, when people come to health center and information is collected, it is called passive surveillance. Okay. Next question. In NPCDCS criteria for a diagnosis of a type 2 diabetes mellitus using the venous blood is, so here our right answer is fasting glucose more or equal to 126 mg per dl, or a post glucose it is around 200 mg per dl. So this one is a criteria for a type 2 diabetes mellitus according to NPCDCS criteria. Okay. Next, in the NPCDCS criteria for a diagnosis of stage 1 hypertension is, so here our right answer is for a stage 1 hypertension, the systolic it is around 130 to 139 and diastolic it is around 80 to 89. So here D is the correct option. Okay. Next question. For the 30 to 65 age group female, PEP test should be done every, so here our right answer is every 3 years. Okay. PEP test is used for a detection of a cervical cancer. Okay, and it should be done at the interval of 3 years. Okay. Cervical cancer it is done due to the HPV virus, human papilloma virus. Okay. The common criteria for a cataract surgery is a, so here our right answer is all of the above. Okay. Next question. The cause of congenital deafness in children. So here our right answer is cause of congenital deafness is a hereditary, rubella and birth injury. So here our right answer is all of the above. Okay. Next question. Which is the suppurative infection in the lacrimal sac? So here our right answer is all of the above are the suppurative infection in the lacrimal sac. Okay, which is a part of the eye. Okay. Next question. Concept of the hospice is related to, so here our right answer is it is related to special group of people helping the old and the terminally ill patient, like the patient having a cancer, 4th stage of cancer, patient having a AIDS. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is the most logical sequence? So here our right answer is first disease is a happen. Okay, first disease. Okay, disease cause the impairment of the various physical, social, mental function. Okay, impairment. Then after impairment, patient feel the disabilities. Okay, patient feel the disability, and after disability, patient are called handicap. Okay, so here the logical sequence is disease, then impairment, then disability and then handicap. Okay, so here B is the correct option. Okay. Next question. Among the following, which is disease is the oral cavity carries serious risk of death? So here our right answer is Ludwig's angina are the disease of oral cavity which carries the serious risk of health because it causes the airway obstruction in which leads to a risk of death. Okay. Next question. toll-free number has been assigned for a provision under the Maharashtra Emergency Medical Services. So here our right answer is 108. Okay. Next question. Population-based screening (PBS) for NCDs is done among this year and above the age group. So here our right answer is 30. Okay. Next question. Persistent irrational fear of an object, it is called phobia. Okay. Next question. What is the true about dementia? So here dementia is the Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia. Then dementia is the one of the major cause of disabilities and dependency among the older people worldwide. And although dementia mainly affect the older people, it is not a normal part of aging. So here these three options are corrected. Okay. So here our right answer is all of the above. D is the correct answer. Next question. IQ is calculated by, so here our right answer is mental age divided by chronological age into 100. Okay. A is the correct option. Next question. Which day is celebrated as the International Day of Yoga? So here, okay, our right answer is June 21 is a celebrated International Day of Yoga. C is the correct answer. Next, the best way to plot the geographical distribution of a disease is by the spot map. Okay, D is the correct answer. Next one, which is one of the limb of Asthana Yoga. So here our right answer is Niyama. Okay, is the one of the limb of Asthana Yoga. And the next question is per SRS data 2015 to 17 MMR maternal mortality rate of Maharashtra is around 55. A is the correct option. Next one, in a COVID surveillance for a non-comorbid condition, any temperature of which or greater is considered as a fever. So here our right answer is temperature more than 98.6, 98.7 are considered as a fever. Okay, B is the correct option. Next one, dysphagia is a defect that causes difficulty in, so here our right answer is dysphagia is a difficulty in speech. Okay, then dysphagia is a difficulty in swallowing. Okay. Next question. The constituent element of the Prakriti are, so here our right answer is Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Okay, B is the correct option. Next, population of Sargon subcenter was 700. There were 100 births and 50 deaths. Out of these 2 infant deaths in a year 2015. What was the infant mortality rate of a Sargon in that year? So here the formula of an infant mortality rate is the number of deaths under the age of 1 year. So here the question says that the 2 infant death. Okay, so here number of deaths under the age of 1 year divided by number of live births. So here number of live births is 100. Okay, into 1000. Okay, so here our right answer is 20. Infant mortality rate is 20. So D is the correct option. Okay. Next question and the last question. Who is the COVID-19 suspected case? So here our right answer is A or B. Okay. Here the sign and symptoms of COVID-19 case are given. Okay. Difficulty in breathing, sore throat, running nose. Okay. So here A or B are considered as a COVID-19 suspected case. Okay. So here we finish our 50 important MCQs from the CHO Maharashtra 2020. Okay. If you like this, then please share with your friend and kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.